Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to avoid PayPal fees. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're starting to use PayPal a lot and you notice that there's a lot of fees involved. Now, I've been using PayPal for about 8 years now, and here's how I don't necessarily avoid the fees, but sometimes I send transactions with 0 fees, and sometimes I still pay the transactions fees. Now, when it comes to sending payments, okay, if you send money through friends and family and it comes from your bank account or PayPal balance in the US, you are going to be able to send it to them for free. So using your PayPal balance or your actual bank, sending money is free on PayPal in the US. If you use a debit or credit card, however, there will be a small charge for your payment. Now, they have this fees page here as well, which you could actually read over. The other thing is that if you use purchases for goods and services, this is always going to have a fee associated with it. When you make this type of payment, the seller pays a small fee to receive your money. I'd say that those are the 3 main ways I've been able to kind of understand fees on PayPal. It's number 1, if you're paying someone in the US with your bank account or PayPal, the fee is going to be free. If you use a debit or credit card to send money to them, there's going to be a small fee. And anytime you're using purchases for goods and services, there will also be a fee. But keep in mind that with purchases for goods and services, you will have PayPal purchase protection, which makes it safe when you're buying things online. Now, let me know if there's any other ways that you guys avoid fees down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.